how to find your UID or user ID on OKX Exchange or app. So if you want to find your user ID on OKX Exchange, it's fairly simple for us to do so. First of all, launch the OKX app, and this is the interface you will see. Now to find your user ID, which is a unique series of numbers given to each account, it's really simple. On the top left, you can see the multiple dots icon, so make sure to tap on it. Then over there, you can see profile and settings right at the very top. Just tap on it again. So right when you're there, if you look under the profile settings tab, you can see the option called UID, which is a random series of numbers. And this is unique to each account. So if you want to copy it, that is your user ID, or also known as UID. It will be copied to your clipboard when you tap on it. This way you can find your UID or user ID on OKX. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.